I want to show you how you can repair your phone. Some tips, some things you have to know about phones. Not anytime your phone break down, you go and give it to an engineer and pay money. So this person bring this phone for me that the phone off is shut down at the percentage battery or battery level of 50%. Since then they on it, they charge it, e never turn on, e never display charging. So the person he begged me to collect 2,000 naira, I bill him 3,000 naira. Despite the fact that we are close, if we are not close, I will collect more than that too. So I want to show you what I do to this phone that make it to on. You have already do it. I just want to let you know the thing I just do on it. So I remove the battery and I use methylated spirit to clear the battery connector and the displays and the phone on. That's just what I just do. So if that kind of thing happen to your phone and then it is removable, there are some other phone that is their battery is built inbuilt battery. You have to lose a lot of screw. You can go and give that one to an engineer. So if you don't know how to do it yourself. But this one like this, if your phone is removable, it may be button phone, it may be Android, and it is removable. You can do this thing. And then if you place it back and the phone doesn't on, you can use, if you have something like blade, maybe some dust used to be here on these three places, the negative, positive, and neutral. So you can use blade to clear this place and clear this battery terminal. Place it back and plug your charger. It will on. And if not on, and then you now take it for an engineer to confirm maybe it was the screen that is damaged or something else. With this you can repair your phone. Not all the time that your phone develop fault you will be taking it for an engineer to repair. The person will surely collect money from you, and then if you bring it for me too, I will collect money from you. So that is it. So let me show you now. This is it. Let me on it. So with that one, the name of the phone is Kubo. All those China copy phone. So I want you to confirm that it load to the menu. So it seems there is a lot of files of video or music on the phone. That's why the phone slow somehow before it load to the menu. Is it? Is it now? It's not working. So thank you for watching my video. My name is Tech David. I'm an engineer. I repair phone, I repair laptop, I repair gadgets. I'm also a content creator. I will be teaching you how to edit. I will be teaching you editing and a lot of things like Facebook page, how to create a Facebook, how to create application and all those stuffs. So please do well to subscribe to my channel. If you have anything that is doesn't clear to you, you can just reach me in my comment section.